Them a kill about we kill them faster. Them buck up in a total disaster. We could lion kick them like a kung fu master.
If you're in pain, your heart hurts. It's like, man, so much pain from all the attacks. It's alright. I forgive you all. But so much pain. It's hard to release it all. I'm doing alright, but my wife is struggling. So, I'm trying to teach her through our telepathy where it hurts. Transform the pain, alchemize it into pleasure. And you can do so by using the sound, all of you. The sound that I absolutely love, which resonates with my heart, called Little Lion Sound. Go ahead, little lions. Heal your hearts. Like I'm doing, like everyone should be doing.